Welcome to this presentation on how Bitcoin works. In this session, we'll dive into the key elements that make up Bitcoin, from mining and blockchain technology to how transactions are secured and processed. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what powers the world's first and most popular cryptocurrency. Right, let's start with Bitcoin mining. Now, mining is the process where Bitcoin transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. Miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems, a process called proof of work. Once they solve it, they secure the transaction using hash functions, which add an extra layer of protection to the block. In return, miners receive Bitcoin as a reward for their efforts. This is called a block reward. The process is essential for maintaining the network security and ensuring the integrity of Bitcoin transactions. Next, we have the blockchain. Think of it as a digital ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction. Now, each transaction is stored in a block, and these blocks are linked together to form a chain, hence the name blockchain. This decentralized ledger is maintained by miners, and once a block is validated and added to the chain, it cannot be changed. This provides transparency and security, ensuring that Bitcoin transactions are immutable and fully traceable. Now, let's talk about how Bitcoin transactions work. To make a Bitcoin transaction, you start by sending a Bitcoin from your wallet to someone else's wallet. But before that transaction is confirmed, it must be verified by miners. They solve cryptographic puzzles to ensure that the transaction is legitimate. Once verified, the transaction gets recorded on the blockchain and becomes a permanent part of the ledger. On average, it takes about 10 minutes for a Bitcoin transaction to be fully confirmed. Bitcoin security depends on cryptographic keys, specifically public and private keys. Your public key is like your Bitcoin wallet address. It's what people use to send you Bitcoin. Your private key, on the other hand, is what allows you to access and manage your Bitcoin. Think of it as the password to your digital wallet. Only you should know your private key and nobody else. If someone else gets access to it, they can control your Bitcoin. This is why storing these keys securely is crucial for protecting your funds. Finally, let's touch on Bitcoin halving. Roughly around every 4 years, the reward that miners get for validating blocks is cut in half. This is called Bitcoin halving, and it's built into the system to control the supply of new Bitcoin entering the market. Halving reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins is produced, making it scarcer over time. Many believe that halving events drive up Bitcoin's price by limiting supply while demand stays strong. Halving has played a significant role in shaping Bitcoin's value over the years. So to conclude this episode, it's fair to say that Bitcoin operates on a fascinating and secure system, driven by miners, powered by blockchain technology, and secured by cryptography. With its deflationary nature and increasing demand, Bitcoin is here to stay as a revolutionary form of money. If you're interested in learning more about Bitcoin or diving deeper into other aspects of cryptocurrency, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.